Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area of a triangle. Finding the area of a triangle is slightly more involved than finding the area of a rectangle or a parallelogram. If we consider the simple explanation, we can see that the area of the shaded triangle is half the area of the whole rectangle. So we'll assume that this is a rectangle where each angle is 90 degrees and the opposite sides are parallel to each other. If we draw this diagonal across here, this shaded section is a triangle, and you can see that it is half of the full rectangle. So the area of the rectangle, which we saw in a previous video, was base times the height. The area of the triangle therefore must be base times height over 2. Since the triangle is half, or the area of the triangle is half of the area of the full rectangle. So the above formula applies to all triangles. Let's look at some examples. Find the area of each of the following triangles. Here's a right angle triangle with a base of 12 centimetres and a height of 5 centimetres. So the area will be 12 centimetres times 5 centimetres over 2, which is 60 square centimetres over 2, which is 30 square centimetres. So that's the area of the triangle. Example 2. Here's another triangle where the base is 20 centimetres and the height is 12 centimetres. Now the height refers to the perpendicular height, so that's 90 degrees. So the area will be 20 centimetres by 12 centimetres over 2, which is 240 square centimetres over 2, which is 120 square centimetres. Here is another triangle. Now here we have a base of 10 centimetres and a perpendicular height of 5 centimetres. So the area of this triangle will be 10 centimetres times 5 centimetres over 2, which is 50 square centimetres over 2, which is 25 square centimetres. Now it's important to note that when we are finding the area of any triangle, we have to look at the base and the perpendicular height. It's absolutely crucial. So it's the perpendicular height, and that means that angle is 90 degrees. And that angle there is 90 degrees, and that will give us the perpendicular height. So this video has looked at a few examples, and we've seen how to find the area of a triangle, and the simple formula is the area of a triangle is the base multiplied by the perpendicular height over 2, and the area is always in square units depending on what units we are using. It's that simple, and that's how we do it.